Okay, and maybe even let your eyes close so that you move from outer orientation to inner orientation. That you're really with yourself. There's a lot going on out there, and now we move inward so that we can really bring our focus inwardly. And with that inward focus, I'm going to start with just really bringing us into the body. And one way we can do that is just by acknowledging and recognizing our body. So let's start with the feet. To really clench your toes for a moment, really clenching your toes. It's like acknowledging that you have feet and let your toes clench. And then when you're ready, you can release them. Same with the legs, acknowledging that you have legs, and for a moment, tensing your legs, really tensing them and tensing them, and then you release them. Same with the belly, just tensing the belly for a moment, really tightening up the belly, really, yes, I've got a belly, yes, and then releasing it. And then you can even take a breath into your belly. Yeah, same with your hands. One last one here with the hands, really clenching the hands, really acknowledging that you have hands, and then releasing the hands. And again, let's take another breath. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to go on a journey with me in visualization. And I want for a moment that you visualize something that you love to do or someone that you love being with. Whatever it is, it's something that you enjoy. So if it's something that you love to do, maybe it's dancing, maybe it's being in nature, maybe it's playing with children, maybe it's, playing music, whatever it is that you love doing, imagining that. Or maybe it's someone you love being with, a loved one, friends, family members. And the most important is that it's something that brings you joy. And I want you to imagine this image in front of you now. It's almost like you're seeing a movie screen. And you're seeing this image of what it is you love doing or the people that you love being with. And I want you also now to imagine that you're in the movie with them. Like the movie screen disappears and now you're in the experience. You're doing whatever it is you're doing, or you're being with whomever you're being with. And let that experience really expand, make it even bigger, make it even more joyful, more playful, more fun. So much so that it elevates your feeling. How much you feel in this experience. How much joy it brings you. Doing what you're doing or being who you're being with. And imagining now if your heart was leaning into it and your heart was opening and your heart was feeling it and all the feelings that it would be giving you right now. Joyfulness, ecstaticness, playfulness, happiness, expandedness. Whatever the feeling is, gratitude. Let that feeling really almost like explode in your heart. That you're doing whatever it is you want to. And the more your heart feels open to it, the more you're receiving it. It's like you're really receiving this experience of what it is you love doing or whomever it is you love being with. You're just receiving it. It's just like, oh, this is so good. This feels so good. Let yourself really receive it. this feeling that you're feeling right now. I want you to stay with that feeling, and it's almost like we're gonna switch the tape, flip the next scene, and all of a sudden, with the same feeling, the very thing that you wrote down previously that you want to manifest in your life is in front of you, and you're experiencing it as if it is happening now, as if you are doing it now, living it now, being it now. It's like, wow, I can't believe it. All of a sudden, this is it. I'm in it. Almost as if it's happening right now, not in 10 years or 5 years, but right now. Let yourself imagine it happening right now. The sensations, the feeling of it, the colors, the sound, the smells, all of it. Whatever it is you're moving towards, as if it's happening right now. Let it get bigger, more exaggerated, more playful, more joyful. Almost like it's too much. It's like, oh my God, this is so big. It's exploding with joy and with ecstasy. I can't believe I'm actually doing it right now, being it right now, living it right now. And let that experience overtake you, overwhelm you with joy. And let your heart lean into it, like it's open and receiving it. Yes, big yes, yes, yes. Seeing it happening, experiencing it happening right now. And just to complete this, just finding a beautiful way to say thank you. Thank you to existence, God, divine, universe, whatever it is for you, just a thank you. As if you're saying thank you for it actually happening. That thank you is so important. And when you're ready, take a breath. Yeah, and open your eyes.